So what is this TikTok TAKO AI chatbot? I'll just try to give my insights, what I collected on the internet, so you don't need to spend time on it. So basically today, a lot of users reported that when they go to their TikTok DMs, like if you just go here to your inbox, you will see TikTok TAKO notification. And then it just appeared from nowhere there. It's like TikTok TAKO AI chatbot, and people were like, what the hell is this? And then if you tap on this notification, like nothing is happening, so it's basically not working. That's just what a lot of people are seeing today. And if you search on Twitter, I was just looking here, so you can see some screenshots. And then you can see something like that. If you've seen that, please like the video so more people can discover it. Yeah, something like that. It's not, I don't know in which countries is that or what they are doing, but basically seems TikTok is just expanding their original test with this bot. And originally this was their AI chatbot idea, similar as with other apps. Like Snapchat had AI chatbot, which seemed not that popular actually, and it was pinned in Snapchat to the top. A lot of people wanted to remove it. Like plenty of other apps, everyone just wants to have their own AI chatbot these days. I don't know how it's useful, but basically this is what TikTok does now. It's called its AI chatbot TikTok TAKO, and now like today or yesterday, it's just run broader test, and this TikTok TAKO notification appeared in a lot of DMs of a lot of TikTok users. But if you right now just tap on it, nothing is happening, so you can't communicate with it, you can't chat with it, you just see like random number of notifications, but that's it, nothing is happening. That's basically it. And then for some people it also just disappeared like a few hours later. So it was like very weird test by TikTok. But what you can see here, like TikTok is not yet announced publicly that they are releasing some new feature, but it's in active testing of AI chatbot. It's called TAKO. The bot is limited testing in select markets where it will appear on the right hand side of TikTok interface about the user's profile and other buttons. You can just chat with it, and usually the idea of this TAKO bot is that it can suggest you different videos using natural language queries or discover new content by asking for recommendations. For instance, when watching a video of King Charles' coronation, TAKO might suggest that users ask what is the significance of King Charles' coronation. Or if users looking for ideas to something to watch, they just can ask for some videos suggesting some content. The bot would respond with a list of results that includes the video's name, author, and subject, as well as links to suggested videos. From here, you could click on a video thumbnail to be directed to the content. And these are just like some early previews acquired by TechCrunch back in May, and also taken from watchful.ai. So that's basically how it looks like, this AI chat, as you can see in Snapchat, many other apps. And the bot was discovered being publicly tested by intelligence firm Watchful AI. TikTok confirmed tests are now live. In select markets, we are testing new ways to power search and discovery on TikTok, and we look forward to learning from our community as we continue to create a safe place that entertains, inspires, blah, blah, creativity. So TikTok says the current version of the bot is not currently public in the US, but it is being tested in other global markets, including early limited test in Philippines. So that was the original case, but a few days ago, they just expanded that test to a few other countries, it seems, as I've seen a spike of my views about TAKO bot. And also TikTok, which is interesting, is leveraging an unknown third-party AI provider that TikTok has customized for its needs. So it seems that's not unclear, like whether it's using, ChatGPT, OpenAI API, probably not. And then upon first launch, TikTok advises user in a pop-up message that TAKO is still considered experimental and its feedback might not be true or accurate. And then that's basically the idea of what you will have if you start talking to TAKO. TAKO is an experimental chatbot. It can answer questions and have conversations with you. Feedback from TAKO is AI generated and may not be true or accurate, so it should not be relied upon as advice on medical, legal, financial, ethical, etc. All conversations will be reviewed for safety purposes and to enhance your experience. Please do not share your private information with TAKO. So yeah, that's basically the idea. And then if you want to see the TAKO bot, then later it will appear here on the main TikTok page, just above the account profile icon in the top right sidebar, if you see it here. So that's where it will appear. But for now, not a lot of users can see it there. A lot of users just see it in the messages account notifications. So it's also unclear if the AI chatbot is logging data associated with the user's name or other personal information. The long-term data retention policies or privacy aspects of the chatbot couldn't be determined. TikTok believes that chatbot could do more than just answer questions about video. It could also become a different way for users to surface content in the app beyond typing in the search box. This could become a threat to Google if TikTok's tests were successful and the chatbot publicly rolled out, given that Google has already noted how Gen Z are turning to TikTok and Instagram at the first they go to search on certain subjects. And then you can see on TikTok X Twitter app that they just share this, like, we're in the early stages of exploring chatbot tools with a limited test of TAKO with selected users in Philippines. TAKO is an AI-powered tool to help search and discover on TikTok. And then you can see here, it just has, like 92 likes. People just look into it. And it's like, TAKO is powered by third-party chat assistant and designed to help make it easier to discover entertaining and inspiring content on TikTok. No current plans for this beyond this early test, but we're excited to hear your feedback. So yeah, that's what it is. There is no more further comments on this. So yeah, that's the idea. So yeah, if you've seen a lot of this, TAKO bot popping up in your DMs on TikTok, that's basically what it is. I don't know if it's possible to remove it or block it or anything yet. We'll see in the future, because for example with Snapchat, like as I told, they released this AI bot and then they pinned it to the top of your conversations, and you couldn't remove it from top of your conversations in Snapchat, and it was super annoying for many users. Users were putting 1-star reviews for Snapchat everywhere, and then you could only remove it with Snapchat plus subscription. And then if you basically started to pay for Snapchat, you could remove this AI bot. And it's like people were furious, so I'm not sure about TikTok, if this bot is actually will be quite helpful. I kind of tried this, this AI chatbot on Snapchat. It's kind of like, you need to get like some specific use cases for that. Similar as with official ChatGPT app. And then you just need, to have some cases where it works for you. Like I found out that, for example, official ChatGPT app is good for formatting some blog posts or changing the language, as I'm not like a native English speaker, or some like if you want to ask some quick recommendation instead of typing in Google. So that's useful, but all the time chatting with AI chatbot, even on TikTok, seems a bit weird for me. But maybe it will take off. Who knows? Like if you just can ask things like, so yeah, that's basically the idea. What you can have here, that's the chatbot. yeah, so let's just wait for some other updates, see how it develops, see how it goes, and all of it.